Hello and welcome to Club Creations, where you decide what we create. In today's video, I'm going to show you 20 healthy recipes you can easily make at home. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a creation. Let's get into it. Oh my days, this is one of the best dishes I've had in my life. I don't eat fish and this was amazing. All you need is potato, seasoning and sea bass. Cut up your potato into dices, drizzle on some olive oil and season it. Whack it in the oven at 180. Let's make the sauce whilst the potato's cooking. You'll need some honey, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, tomato puree, coriander leaf, sweet chilli sauce. Only a few droplets is needed, or else it'll be too spicy. Some lemon juice and sesame oil. Give it a good proper stir like this. Keeping it healthy, we're going to use coconut oil. Take the skin off the sea bass and whack it on the pan. Let it sizzle away, and remember to take your potatoes out after half an hour. Once the fish is cooked, drizzle on the sauce. Leave it on for another further 5 minutes. Just look at that sizzle away. Make yourself some salad. We're just using cucumber, feta cheese and peppers. And finally drizzle on with some balsamic. Oh my days, how have I never done this before? I saw this wrap life hack on TikTok, and this is the new way to eat wraps. I'm making a breakfast on the go with some peanut butter and bananas. Would you look at that? Someone in my comments said make egusi soup. I'm going to try and make a healthy egusi soup. This is not traditional whatsoever. All you have to do is boil some chicken, add some spices, blend your egusi seeds, and then add some water to the powder. Mix it all up so it looks a bit like porridge. And now we're making the sauce. Usually you use palm oil, but I'm going to use coconut oil. Add some onions, tomato sauce, and then simply add your egusi. Give it a good stir, and then add some chicken broth and the chicken in as well. Leave that to simmer for 5 minutes. There you have it. Healthy. Oh my days. If you're craving pizza, but you're on a diet, grab a couple of rice cakes, spread some liquid cheese on top, stick your pepperonis on. It takes less than 10 minutes, and it's super healthy, look at that. Oh my days. This broccoli lasagna is perfect for vegans. Boil your broccoli, mash it all up with some tomato sauce. Once that's all mixed up, put it in a tin, and then layer your lasagna sheets. You don't need to boil your lasagna sheets before you place it on, you can just put it directly on there. Add a layer of white sauce over the lasagna sheet. Repeat the process and whack it in the oven. Look at that. I absolutely love broccoli. Oh my days, if you've never tried sushi, you're missing out. This recipe is really easy. All you need is some fish fingers, some boiled rice and mayo. Firstly, get your nori sheet and place that fluffy rice on top. Carefully add the fish fingers. Fish fingers is a good replacement if you don't like to use raw sushi. Squirt some mayo sauce on top and simply roll it up. You can wait until the rice is cooled down until you put it on the sushi, so you don't burn your hands when you're rolling. And the final step is to slice the sushi into little bits and serve it with mayo. If you know what this is, you were broke during uni. Throwback to 50,000 years ago when I was a poor student, I used to make beans and rice on a regular. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. Oh my days, this healthy chicken skewer is to die for. Cut up your chicken breast into little dices and then plop it into some boiling water. Leave it in there for 20 minutes so it's cooked through. Drain it and run it under a cold tap. I run the chicken under a cold tap so it cools down quicker. Once the chicken is cool, skewer it and then drizzle on some mayo. This will wow your mates at a barbecue. Oh my days, you need to try this healthy fish wrap. Get the salmon with a skin on and boil it. Whilst that's cooking away, form a wrap with your lettuce and then simply place that salmon on top. Take the skin off, drizzle some spicy mayo on the salmon and then wrap it up like a mini burrito. This one's packed with omega-3, perfect for dinner time. Would you look at that? Oh my days, it's a new year, new me. So let's start off with a healthy meal. Simply boil some chicken breasts, pair it with some spinach and mayo. Oh my days, I absolutely love French cuisine. I ate a beef bourguignon the other day, so I'm going to try and make it at home. And it turns out it's dead simple. All you need is some beef, onions and tomato, and your favourite kind of wine. Pack it all in a slow cooker, and usually you serve it with mash. But I didn't have any potatoes, I'm just going to use pounded yam. And it's absolutely delicious. Off your potato fufu salad. I'm making fufu from scratch. Mash your potatoes and then add some cornstarch or potato starch. Pound it until it looks like that. Oh my days, I was craving Chinese. Let's make a spring onion fried rice. Combine your rice and scallions together. Drizzle some dark soy sauce and give it a good stir fry for 5 minutes. You want to crack in 6 eggs. Get all that protein in. and then basically mix it up until there's no runny egg anymore. Would you look at that? The soy sauce gives it such a lovely brown colour. And finally add a fried egg on top and serve it with some salad. Oh my days, did you know that chicken tikka masala is the UK's national dish? I'm currently ill and curries always unblock my nose, so I'm going to make a healthy version of chicken tikka masala. All you need to do is boil your chicken, add your spice mix, and put it on a bed of rice. Oh my days, you need to try the spinach and tomato salad. Cook your spinach in the microwave and then plate it up. Make sure the spinach is spread out evenly. Add 1 fresh tomato, season it with some salt and olive oil. Oh my days, I've been detoxing and this is one of my favourite recipes. All you need to do is boil some chicken and an egg. Put some oats and water in a frying pan and boil it. Once it's thickened, it's done. Plop it on a plate with some spring onions. Add your healthy chicken and a hard boiled egg. Would you look at that? Under 500 calories as well. Oh my days, if you need to detox, this chicken and cucumber soup is perfect. Dead simple, blend some cucumber with sparkling water and boil your chicken. Oh my days, this recipe is perfect for vegans. It's a healthy breakfast under £5. All you need is a banana, some oats, mash it together and put it on a baking tray. Leave it in the oven for 30 minutes. Oh my days, you need to try this healthy chicken satay skewer. Simply boil your chicken and make your satay sauce using 2 dollops of peanut butter, a bit of hot tap water and a dash of sesame oil. Give that a good whisk and set it aside. Once the chicken is nice and white like that, it's done. Always make sure your chicken's cooked through. And finally, drizzle that delicious sauce all over, sprinkle some sesame seeds and garnish it with spring onions. Oh my days, I used to eat this all the time at uni. It's lettuce, rice and gravy. Dead simple. Use the hot tap to make your gravy, cause you know Manchester's water's the best.